The primate wakes up tired. Before he even moves, the day already feels heavy. He didn't run a marathon. He didn't climb a mountain. Sometimes, he barely left the bed. Yet the body aches, the mind drags, and fatigue feels permanent. But why? How can someone feel exhausted without doing anything at all? Are we resting wrong? The primate rests his body, but never his brain. Even lying still, he runs, chasing lights, sounds, notifications. Is he really relaxing? Or just trading one kind of effort for another? Every tap is a microshock of dopamine, a fake pulse of life. The body may stop moving, but the mind stays in survival mode. And when the brain never shuts off, even rest becomes tiring. The primate calls it relaxing. But what he calls rest is just another form of tension. Is silence what scares him? Or has noise become a way to avoid himself? He scrolls, switches, consumes, feeding the same loop that drains him. Each image trains anxiety. Each sound whispers alert. And the brain, drowning in stimulation, collapses quietly. It's not laziness. It's overload. The primate's brain was built to hunt, create, explore. Now it hunts stimulation, not meaning. Noise, not silence. Maybe the problem isn't exhaustion. It's where we spend our energy. Each time the primate seeks quick pleasure, he spends energy he never gets back. Dopamine fires, crashes, empties. And the emptiness demands more. The result? A brain pretending to rest, but secretly burning out. The primate tries to stop. He turns off the phone. Silence hits like a desert. Why does silence hurt so much? What is he afraid to hear when the noise fades? Inside that desert, something stirs. The brain, finally undisturbed, begins to breathe again. Thoughts realign. Emotions slow down. And the fatigue reveals its true message. The primate was never tired of life. He was tired of the noise between him and it. Days later, something changes. Small things start to feel alive again. A sound, a smell, a ray of light. That's the brain remembering calm. When was the last time you felt that? When simple things were enough? The peace he searched for in screens was waiting inside silence. Real rest isn't about stopping everything. It's about choosing what deserves your attention. The primate finally understands. Fatigue was never the enemy. It was a signal, a cry for quiet from the mind. Maybe yours is crying too, but you can't hear it through the noise. The body wants sleep. The mind wants stillness. And when it finds that stillness, energy doesn't come from rest. It comes from peace. Have you felt this kind of tiredness too? The one that sleep can't fix? When was the last time you truly rested? Not your body, but your mind. Have you ever felt tired even after sleeping all day? Tell me below.